Hello everyone, I welcome you all once again to this channel Prabhavi Competition Hub, and in this video we will be covering the plant physiology, and in plant physiology we will be covering photosynthesis. वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट टॉपिक। बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन यहाँ से आते हैं। घटना चक्र के सीरीज चल रही है, घटना चक्र वाली, और इसमें मैं बायोलॉजी कवर कर रहा हूँ। दिस इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। पहले नोट्स और उसके बाद आपको क्वेश्चंस बैंक इसके मिल जाएंगे। तो ऐसे ही करके पूरी सीरीज़ देखनी है तो प्लेलिस्ट पे जाइए एंड वॉच द फुल सीरीज विच इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। सो फर्स्ट वी विल सी द नोट्स एंड देन वी विल कवर द क्वेश्चन बैंक। पहला नोट में पॉइंट देखिए यहाँ पे, द प्रोसेस ऑफ फोटोसिंथेसिस इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट रिमार्केबल एक्टिविटीज ऑफ ग्रीन प्लांट। जो प्रोसेस है ये फोटोसिंथेसिस ना, ये ग्रीन प्लांट के लिए जान है, बिकॉज इसी से ये खाना बनाते हैं। ठीक है, रिमार्केबल है। सो द ऑटोट्रॉफिक प्लांट सिंथेसाइजेस इनोमस अमाउंट ऑफ ऑर्गेनिक फूड विच विद द हेल्प ऑफ लाइट एनर्जी अवेलेबल फ्रॉम द सन। और यही जो है एनर्जी का सोर्स है लगभग पूरे ब्रह्मांड में। ठीक है, जहाँ से मतलब जो भी एनर्जी आती है पहले प्लांट बेस्ड आएगी और वो फिर उसको प्राइमरी कंज्यूमर खाएंगे, सेकेंडरी कंज्यूमर, टर्सरी कंज्यूमर खाते हैं। सो नेक्स्ट है कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स प्रोड्यूस्ड थ्रू फोटोसिंथेसिस कॉन्स्टिट्यूट द बेसिक रॉ मटेरियल which directly or indirectly give rise to all organic components of virtually all plants and animals. The entire humanity depends upon the prepared food of the plants. It is one of the most massive biochemical event going on the earth. Most plants, most algae and cyanobacteria perform photosynthesis. Such organisms are called photoautotrophs. Approximately 90% of the world photosynthesis is carried out by marine and freshwater algae. ठीक है, and photosynthesis is the process of synthesis of carbohydrate from carbon dioxide and water is in presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. In photosynthesis, the solar energy is converted into chemical energy which is stored in the form of carbohydrates. Photosynthesis is also known as carbon assimilation because inorganic carbon dioxide is converted into organic components. The biochemical reaction of photosynthesis can be shown as follows: 6 CO2 plus 12 H2O में सनलाइट और क्लोरोफिल के प्रेजेंस में अगर रिएक्शन कराया जाए तो 6 C6H12 और CO6 यानी कि ग्लूकोज प्लस 6 वाटर H2O और 6 ऑक्सीजन रिलीज होगा। सो ड्यूरिंग फोटोसिंथेसिस ऑक्सीजन इज इवॉल्व्ड बाय स्प्लिटिंग ऑफ a water molecule. The photosynthesis takes place in green parts of the plant body such as leaves, green stem and in green floral parts. In leaves, the photosynthesis takes place in the mesophyll tissue which contain the green plastid chloroplast. आगे बढ़ते हैं। सीवीड क्या है? दिस इज एल्गी एंड आर ऑल्सो कैपेबल टू सिंथेसाइज फूड बाई फोटोसिंथेसिस इन मूनलाइट. It may take place in the bulb light. The photosynthesis takes place in chloroplast. The chlorophylls are present in the grana of chloroplast. Magnesium is the main component of chlorophyll. ठीक है, मैग्नीशियम जो है मेन component होता है क्लोरोफिल का. Light is one of the most important factors of photosynthesis. Chlorophyll molecules absorbs only red, blue and violet in visible spectrum. क्या है? Red, blue और violet. Wavelengths of 655 nanometer in red light to be most effective and 440 nanometer in blue light to be the second most effective wavelength in photosynthesis. Although chlorophyll absorbs more blue light than red, the maximum rate of photosynthesis has been observed in red light. हमेशा याद रखना, मैक्सिमम जो होता है रेट ऑफ फोटोसिंथेसिस वो होता है रेड लाइट में। ये सवाल आया भी है कई बार। सो प्लांट्स हैव बीन फाउंड टू फोटोसिंथेसाइज एट वेरी लो लाइट इंटेंसिटी, बट at much slower rate. The rate of photosynthesis increases with the increase in light intensity until some other factors become limiting. Externally, extremely high light intensities do not increase the rate of photosynthesis, partly because the other factors become limiting and partly because of direct inhibitory effect of the process, a phenomenon called solarization. During the solarization, that is photo oxidation takes place, in which certain cell constituents are oxidized by oxygen into CO2. If photo oxidation continues to be more than a few hours, the whole photosynthetic apparatus is destroyed. So light also affect rate of photosynthesis indirectly. The very low intensity of light causes a stomatal closure, which restrict the entry of CO2 gas, resulting in a decrease of photosynthesis. High light intensity, on the other hand, increases the rate of transpiration and consequently reduces the water content of the mesophyll tissue. This has an inhibitory effect on the rate of photosynthesis. Duration of light period has also a significant effect on the total photosynthetic yield of plant. A plant carries much photosynthesis if it given light for 10 to 12 hours per day. The carbon dioxide, oxygen, temperature and water also affect the rate of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis occurs in a very in a wide range of temperature. Certain conifers can photosynthesize at a low temperature at around negative 35 degrees Celsius, while some algae photosynthesize size at 75 degrees Celsius. In temperate region, photosynthesis has a rapid rate between 10 degrees Celsius to 35 degrees Celsius, provided other factors are not limiting. अब हम देखेंगे प्रोसेस ऑफ फोटोसिंथेसिस. सो फोटोसिंथेसिस इज ए केमिकल ऑक्सीडेशन रिडक्शन, रिडॉक्स रिएक्शन होता है, in which water is oxidized to release oxygen and carbon dioxide is reduced to form the glucose. The process of photosynthesis is completed in two phases. पहला है light dependent phase, photochemical oxidation of water, light reaction, Hill reaction भी इसको बोलते हैं. These reactions takes place in grana of the chloroplast. In the light dependent reaction, one molecule of the pigment chlorophyll absorbs one proton and loses one electron. This electron is passed to a modified form of chlorophyll called pheophytin, which passes the electron to quinone molecule, starting the flow of electron down an electron transport chain that leads to ultimate reduction of NADP and NADPH. In addition, this creates a proton gradient, that is energy gradient, across the chloroplast membrane, which is used by ATP. ATP synthase, an enzyme in the synthesis of adenosine triphosphate from ADP, that is adenosine diphosphate, and inorganic phosphate. ATP is the energy currency of cell for all organism. The chlorophyll molecule ultimately regains the electron it lost when the water molecule is split in a process called photolysis, a chemical reaction in which a chemical compound is broken down by protons, which releases a oxygen molecule. The overall equation for light dependent reaction is 2H2O plus 2 NADP plus 3 ADP plus 3P and plus light is equal to 2 NADPH plus 2H plus ON और 3 ATP plus oxygen. आगे बढ़ें. लाइट इंडिपेंडेंट फेज आ गया. दूसरा फेज है केमिकल डार्क रिएक्शन भी बोलते हैं, नॉन फोटोकेमिकल रिडक्शन ऑफ CO2 भी बोलते हैं, ब्लैकमैन्स रिएक्शन भी इसको बोलते हैं. सो द डार्क रिएक्शन अकर इन स्ट्रोमा. वहाँ पे क्या था, ग्रेना में था, यहाँ स्ट्रोमा, क्लोरोप्लास्ट के स्ट्रोमा में होता है. इट डज नॉट रिक्वायर द लाइट, हेंस द नेम डार्क रिएक्शन. Dark reaction is such a chemical reaction that converts कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एंड अदर कंपाउंड्स इनटू ग्लूकोज। फिर आता है केल्विन साइकिल और केल्विन बेंसन बसहन साइकिल is a set of biochemical redox reduction that take place in chloroplast during light independent phase. The key enzyme of cycle is called Rubisco. The enzyme Rubisco captures CO2 from the atmosphere and through Calvin cycle it uses newly formed NADPH and releases 3 carbon sugar, which is then converted into final carbohydrate products. This process is also called carbon fixation. The overall equation for light independent reaction is 3 CO2, 9 ATP, 6 NADPH and 6 H plus ion. इसको रिएक्शन कराओगे तो C3H6O3 फॉस्फेट प्लस 9 ADP प्लस 8 PI 6 NADP और 3 H2O में मिलेगा आपको। C3 प्लांट्स क्या होते हैं? प्लांट्स इन विच कार्बन फिक्सेशन अकर्स बाय कैल्विन साइकिल। दिस प्रोसेस कन्वर्ट्स कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एंड राइबोलूज 1,5 बाई फॉस्फेट एंड 3 फॉस्फोग्लिसरेट। फिर आता है C4 प्लांट्स। ये होते हैं हैच स्लैग साइकिल भी इसको बोलते हैं। सो द प्लांट इन विच ड्यूरिंग फोटोसिंथेसिस द फर्स्ट फॉर्म्ड ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड इज ऑक्सेलोसेटिक एसिड विच with 4 carbon atoms. These plants are better photosynthesizer. It is found in monocots as sugarcane, maize and cyperus. नेक्स्ट है C2 प्लांट, इसको कैम प्लांट भी बोलते हैं। कैम का मतलब होता है क्रेसुलासियान एसिड मेटाबॉलिज्म। दिस occurs in certain succulent plant like cactus and opuntia. Cam plants have to keep their stoma shut during the day to avoid transpiration. The metabolism is therefore devised in such a way that they can photosynthesize during the day with the help of CO2 released from organic acid. The organic acid are synthesized in plenty during the night with the help of CO2 released in respiration and CO2 available from the atmosphere through open stomata. This is why the succulents have open stomata and plenty of organic acid during the night and closed stomata and plenty of carbohydrate during the day. फिर आता है bacterial photosynthesis. Certain bacteria are also capable of photosynthesizing like green plants. The only difference in bacterial photosynthesis is that substances other than water act hydrogen donor and consequently liberation of oxygen does not take place in the process. So green sulfur bacteria जो होता है it have a pigment bacteriochlorophyll similar to chlorophyll. These bacteria grow in the hydrogen sulfide medium which acts as a source of hydrogen. अब हम देखेंगे क्वेश्चन बैंक रिलेटेड टू दिस नोट। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट ए कॉम्पोनेंट ऑफ क्लोरोफिल। क्लोरोफिल में क्या नहीं होता है? करेक्ट आंसर हो जाएगा कैल्शियम नहीं होता है। इसमें कार्बन भी होता है, इसमें मैग्नीशियम भी होता है, इसमें हाइड्रोजन भी होता है, कैल्शियम नहीं होता है। करेक्ट आंसर हो जाएगा ए। 66 बीपीएससी का ये सवाल है। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग एलिमेंट्स इज प्रेजेंट इन क्लोरोफिल। करेक्ट आंसर हो जाएगा सी मैग्नीशियम। Magnesium is present in chlorophyll. Green plants are dependent on chlorophyll for photosynthesis and magnesium is required for chlorophyll production. In one of the crucial step is in photosynthesis, light absorbed by chlorophyll excites electrons in the molecules, enabling them to be transferred to other molecule. Magnesium deficiency manifests itself in plant by yellowing of leaves between the veins. क्लोरोफिल कंटेन्स क्या रहता है क्लोरोफिल में? करेक्ट आंसर हो जाएगा मैग्नीशियम। द बाई प्रोडक्ट ऑफ फोटोसिंथेसिस इज, करेक्ट आंसर हो जाएगा ऑक्सीजन, बी ऑक्सीजन। इट हैपन्स ड्यूरिंग द फोटोसिंथेसिस इन ग्रीन प्लांट्स। क्या होता है? टेकिंग CO2 एंड रिलीजिंग ऑक्सीजन। तो यहाँ पे देख लीजिए, फोटोसिंथेसिस इज ए प्रोसेस ऑफ कन्वर्टिंग लाइट एनर्जी टू केमिकल एनर्जी एंड स्टोरिंग इट इन द बॉन्ड्स ऑफ शुगर In this process, carbon dioxide is taken from atmosphere and oxygen is released out during the formation of glucose. केमिकल रिएक्शन कुछ इस प्रकार से होता है, ये पहले भी डिस्कस किया हुआ है हमने. ऑक्सीजन देखिए यहाँ पे रिलीज हो रहा है. आगे बढ़ेंगे. व्हाट इज़ द फॉर्मूला ऑफ ग्लूकोज? तो C6H12O6 होता है इसका. करेक्ट आंसर हो जाएगा सी. विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग गैसेज इज यूज बाई प्लांट्स इन फोटोसिंथेसिस? करेक्ट आंसर हो जाएगा कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. बी इसका सही आंसर हो जाएगा, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. अगला देखते हैं. ड्यूरिंग फोटोसिंथेसिस ग्रीन प्लांट्स ऑब्जर्व, क्या ऑब्जर्व करते हैं? करेक्ट आंसर हो जाएगा कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड ऑब्जर्व करते हैं और ऑक्सीजन रिलीज करते हैं. विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग गैसेज इज एसेंशियल फॉर फोटोसिंथेसिस प्रोसेस? करेक्ट आंसर हो जाएगा CO2. करेक्ट आंसर हो जाएगा CO2. विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट रिक्वायर्ड इन फॉर फोटोसिंथेसिस प्रोसेस? सनलाइट चाहिए, ऑक्सीजन भी चाहिए, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड भी चाहिए, सॉरी ऑक्सीजन तो रिलीज होता है, सनलाइट चाहिए, वाटर चाहिए और कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड चाहिए, और ऑक्सीजन तो रिलीज होता है, वाटर में से टूट के ऑक्सीजन निकलता है. करेक्ट आंसर हो जाएगा बी, ऑक्सीजन नहीं चाहिए. ऑक्सीजन विच इज लिबरेटेड ड्यूरिंग फोटोसिंथेसिस कम्स फ्रॉम? करेक्ट आंसर हो जाएगा वाटर. So oxygen gas produced by photosynthesis comes from the water and not from carbon dioxide. During photosynthesis, oxygen is evolved by splitting of water molecules. The radiant energy absorbed by plants result in? Correct answer हो जाएगा photolysis of water. So photolysis of water is outcome of radiant energy taken by plants in which hydrogen ions and oxygen gas are made by breaking of H2O molecules. Most of the oxygen on earth is produced by? Correct answer हो जाएगा algae. Approximately 90% of the photosynthesis on earth is done by aquatic plant and algae. Among these, 85% is in the sea, mainly by algae, and remaining 5% in river, ponds, etc. In the process of photosynthesis, CO2, that is carbon dioxide, is absorbed and carbohydrate oxygen are produced. फोटोसिंथेसिस अकर्स इन? करेक्ट आंसर हो जाएगा सी, डे और नाइट दोनों में होता है. थ्रू द प्रोसेस ऑफ फोटोसिंथेसिस ग्रीन प्लांट हैव ए कैपेसिटी ऑफ मैन्युफैक्चरिंग देयर फूड फ्रॉम सिंपल सब्सटेंस एज CO2 and H2O in presence of light. Normally plants utilize sunlight, but marine algae also use moonlight. Photosynthesis even occur in electric light also. The process by which plant प्रोड्यूस फूड इज कॉल्ड? करेक्ट आंसर हो जाएगा फोटोसिंथेसिस. फोटोसिंथेसिस. आगे बढ़ेंगे. द प्रोसेस बाय विच प्लांट सिंथेसाइज देयर फूड इज कॉल्ड फोटोसिंथेसिस. फोटोसिंथेसिस अकर्स इन? करेक्ट आंसर हो जाएगा क्लोरोप्लास्ट. क्लोरोप्लास्ट. Photosynthesis takes place primarily in leaves and partially in stem also. So it takes place within the specialized cell structure called chloroplast. A leaf has a petiole or a stalk and a lamina. The flat portion of leaf, as its area is broad, the lamina helps in absorption of the sunlight and CO2 during the photosynthesis. Photosynthesis takes place in chloroplast that have chlorophyll present in them. It is chlorophyll that absorbs light energy from the sun. There are tiny pores called stomata that functions as roadways for carbon dioxide to enter the oxygen to leave the plant. Next is, which of the following types of light are strongly absorbed by plants? Correct answer will be blue and red. So plants are only certain colors. They use only certain colors from the light for process of photosynthesis. The chlorophyll absorbs blue, red and violet light rays. Photosynthesis occurs more in blue and red light rays and less or not at all in green light rays. The most active light for photosynthesis is? Correct answer is red light. It's a red light. So the process of photosynthesis takes place only in the visible part, that is 3800 angstrom to 7600 angstrom wavelength of the electromagnetic radiations. Best photosynthesis takes place in the red light and next best in blue light, while green light is nil. T.W. Eagleman 1888 had shown the action spectrum of photosynthesis in his experiment, in which algae in red light produces more oxygen and represented by accumulation of more aerobic bacteria, whereas in blue light some fewer numbers of bacteria were accumulated. Which light is most effective in photosynthesis? Right answer is A, red. What rays of sunlight are mostly utilized by chlorophyll in photosynthesis? Correct answer है red. Artificial light can correct answer है bring about photosynthesis. In the process of photosynthesis, light energy changes into chemical energy. Normally, plants utilize sunlight, but marine algae also use moonlight. Photosynthesis even occur in electric light. Which one of the following energy conversion takes place in carrying out process of photosynthesis? Light energy converts into the chemical energy. Right answer will be A. यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं फॉर्मूला. In the process of photosynthesis, how many molecules of ATP are evolved in the synthesis of each molecule of glucose? करेक्ट आंसर हो जाएगा इसका. करेक्ट आंसर हो जाएगा बी, यानी कि टोटल 18. सो इन द प्रोसेस ऑफ फोटोसिंथेसिस 18 molecules of ATP, 6 molecules of CO2 and 12 molecule of NADPH are evolved in synthesis of each molecule of glucose. Solar energy is converted into ATP in, correct answer हो जाएगा chloroplast. In the process of photosynthesis, solar energy is converted into ATP in chloroplast. In light reaction, that is energy transduction reaction of the photosynthesis, solar energy is converted into chemical energy in the form of two energy transporting modules, that is ATP and NADPH. Light energy changes into the chemical energy by which of the following process? Correct answer will be by photosynthesis. The sunlight energy used by green plant in the photosynthesis is transformed into chemical energy. In photosynthesis, solar energy converts into chemical energy. Light energy, C इसका हो जाएगा. solar energy converts into the potential energy. So in photosynthesis, light energy is converted into chemical energy, which is a type of potential energy. Chemical energy is stored within the bonds of atoms, okay, and molecules that make up a substance. Which one of the following is a process evolved in photosynthesis? Correct answer है free energy is converted into potential energy stored. So on earth, the main source of energy is sunlight, which is transformed by photosynthesis into form of chemical energy that can be used by photosynthetic and photosynthetic organism alike. By converting the energy of sunlight to usable form of potential chemical energy, photosynthesis is ultimate source of metabolic energy for all biological systems. Which of the following has maximum efficiency to convert solar energy into chemical energy? Right answer is chlorella. Chlorella is the right answer. In the process of photosynthesis, solar energy changes into chemical energy. Chlorella is single-celled green algae belonging to the class of chlorophyceae. Chlorella is believed to be capable in the serving as a potential food and energy source. Among the given option, chlorella has maximum efficiency to convert solar energy into chemical energy through photosynthesis. Which one of the following is not work of roots? Correct answer will be photosynthesis. Photosynthesis takes place in the leaves, which prepare food for the plant for absorbing light, CO2 and water. Generally, root cells do not contain chloroplast, so there is no chance of photosynthesis in them. Which one of the following does not increase the amount of carbon dioxide in carbon cycle on the earth? correct answer will be photosynthesis. It reduces rather. So carbon dioxide is an atmospheric constituent that plays several vital roles in environment. It is a greenhouse gas that traps infrared radiation heat in atmosphere. It plays a crucial role in weathering of rock. It is the carbon source for plant. It is stored in biomass, organic matter in sediments, and in carbonate rocks like limestone. The primary source of carbon or CO2 is outgassing from the earth interior at the mid-ocean regions. The decay of organic matter, hotspot volcanoes, and subduction related volcanic arcs. Photosynthesis and respiration are essentially the opposite of one another. Photosynthesis takes CO2 from the atmosphere and replaces it with the oxygen. Respiration takes O2 from the atmosphere and replaces with CO2. It is harmful to sleep under a tree at night because tree releases, correct answer हो जाएगा B, carbon dioxide. It is harmful to sleep under a tree at night because the tree releases carbon dioxide during respiration. If the light is present, the released CO2 CO2 is again absorbed in the process of photosynthesis. So at night, if we sleep under a big tree, we do not have sufficient amount of oxygen. Photosynthesis using the invisible part of sunlight is done by some bacteria. Correct answer हो जाएगा bacteria. So the bacteria which are found in deep sea, for example green sulfur bacteria, use infrared radiation for photosynthesis to produce energy. So that's all from this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked the video, definitely press the like button and also do subscribe to the channel. अगले वीडियो में we will discuss plant nutrition, initially notes then question bank. मिलेंगे अगले वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए नमस्कार.